Hey guys, welcome back to Hazel Knows Best, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright, on today's video I am going to be reviewing this NYX professional makeup diamond ice lip gloss collection. It's the butter gloss lip vault, and it's a holiday special. I'm gonna open it up so I can show you guys like all the colors. I am going to be showing you guys how it looks on the lips. Go ahead and get right on into this video. Alright. So the first shade that I'm going to be going in with is this coral color. And it's in the shade Sherbet. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, Sherbet. I don't know if you guys ever had NYX lip glosses. They all tend to smell the same. It's like a soft candy smell. Vanilla. It's not tacky or sticky. And this is how it looks on the lips. And that is the color, this pink color. And this color is called Vanilla Cream Pie. And let's get into this. Yeah, same smell. They all have the same smell. This is the color Vanilla Cream Pie. Like the pink nude. So this is the next one. And this is the shade Cream Pearly. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not even gonna destroy that. Burley, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna show you. Here we go. Brown nude. This one is really pretty. I've seen this one on Amazon. This one is probably normally always sold out. So I was pretty happy that I found this one in the collection. And this one is Madeline. I might be saying that wrong. This is the more deeper chocolate brown. Okay. And this one is Parlin. I don't know if that is right, but let's get into this one. This one kind of blends right in with the We have a darker, like deep brown. So this one is extremely chocolate for very like melanin dark tone. That one is very pretty. And this one is ginger snap. Nah, they named that wrong, baby. That should have been nice chocolate brown. Yeah, that's ginger snap. No, baby. More of like a soft coral. And this one is of like a stepping into like a purple nude, so like light purple nude. Okay, and this one is called Angel Food Cake. This one is very pretty, so let's get into this one. This one is Angel Food Cake. This one is really pretty, probably one of my favorites in the collection. And yeah, this one is called Marshmallow. This one I actually used on Thanksgiving. I was in love with it, and here we go. A soft pink, I would say. And this one is called Eclair. This is like a mixture of soft pink and lavender. Alright, so now we're about to step into the different shades that I normally just wouldn't get. So this one is like a dark deep coral. This one is called Strawberry Cheesecake. I normally don't go for dark deep shades like that, so let's see. It just reminds me of like mom colors. I go for is very much of like a neon-ish color. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm just gonna show y'all. And it's called Summer Fruit. Yeah, it looks like the color of the box. Wow, this is very much is very much of, reminds me of red bottoms red. So here we go. And this one is called Red Velvet. Let's get into it. Alright, so the next one reminds me of like a burgundy. So yeah, and this one is called Devil's Food Cake. So let's get into it. Sorry y'all, has some makeup on it. Here we go. Alright you guys, so that's the end of today's video with the lip gloss review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I am dropping those bangers. Yeah, and if you guys have any suggestions on what other type of videos you guys want to see, don't forget to put them down in the comment section. I always interact with you guys anytime y'all leave comments, so you know, drop them down below on what type of other content you guys want to see, because your girl is, you know, down to try anything. You know, not anything, but you know what I'm saying, I'm here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Get into next time.